Now, it can be frustrating and disheartening to have a claim denied, especially when you've experienced some extensive damage to your property. But you shouldn't lose hope because there are options available. Here, I'll discuss the steps you can take to appeal a denied claim and what your rights are as a homeowner in Texas when you've had a denied claim. If your claim is denied, you do have the right to appeal that decision. You can do this by requesting a review of your claim by a supervisor or by filing a complaint with the Texas Department of Insurance even. But keep in mind, you'll need to provide evidence to support any appeal, no matter who you go through. But it's very important whenever you're denied to know why you may have been denied. Some common reasons for denial that I've found in my practice are not meeting the policy's deductible requirements, not providing enough documentation to support approving your claim, or the damage that's being claimed is not actually covered under the policy. So it's important to remember what kind of policies you have and what type of coverages that you do have in each policy. Once you understand your reason for denial, you can take the appropriate steps to appeal the decision. Some ways to dispute an insurance claim have very varying degrees of success, and I'll kind of explain some of them here. One of them is you can request a review by the adjuster's supervisor that's handling your claim. This person is the supervisor of the adjuster who actually maybe went out and scoped your claim. Now, that supervisor can review that claim with a fresh set of eyes with the hopes of correcting any mistakes made by the assigned adjuster. Now, here's why requesting a supervisor review probably won't result in a much different outcome. Whenever you made your claim, it's highly likely that the insurance supervisor that you'll be wanting to actually review the claim again is the person that already has approved an amount that your insurance company wants to pay for the claim when you initially filed the claim. This is called the reserve. So the likelihood that this same person will change their mind on a decision they already made is pretty slim. You can also file a complaint with the Texas Department of Insurance. Now, the Texas Department of Insurance investigates complaints against insurance companies, but they have very, very limited powers. TDI cannot make coverage decisions, nor can the Texas Department of Insurance investigators ensure that you have been paid enough. They can't make the insurance company pay more money. Their powers are pretty much limited to making insurance companies comply with deadlines and communicate with the insured during the claims process, which can be helpful, but the bulk of any insurance dispute boils down to coverage and the amount that's actually being paid on the claim. Those are the two things that are usually being disputed. So if you've exhausted the previous steps and you still have not received a satisfactory outcome, you may want to consider hiring a lawyer who specializes in property insurance claims. The most powerful thing you can do to resolve an insurance dispute is to hire a lawyer. Most of the time, the threat of a lawsuit, additional cost, and being found liable for a claim by a jury will push an insurance company to pay a claim. It's important to keep in mind that the process of appealing a denied claim can take time and patience. Also, keep in mind that there's a statute of limitations on when a lawsuit can be filed, just like there are laws on how long the insurance claim process is supposed to take. So it's important to get the legal help you need early on in the process. Understanding Texas property insurance law can be complex, but it's important to know your rights and obligations as a property owner. Remember, keep detailed records about your claim, notify your insurance company promptly, and it's also good to consider more comprehensive coverage options like HO2 or HO3 insurance policies before you ever have to make a claim. And if your claim is denied, don't hesitate to appeal that decision. Remember, you can request a review by a supervisor, file a complaint with the Texas Department of Insurance, or what I recommend, hire a lawyer if necessary. Thanks for watching, and if you want to know more about insurance law and how we here at Forest Law help policyholders, be sure to subscribe to this channel and stay up to date on insurance legal matters.